Guys, I got something to show you. It's a limited edition miracle first time cool ice, so let's take a crunch. It's not disgusting, but my hands are really getting freezing. Ice some more. Oh my! And this is not it. There are so many of it. Ah, my hand. It's not available for hands. But this is what to drink. Limited edition liquid seafood. What's this? This is one. This is ice. Ice, ice. Because take a crunch. Because no, not a crunch. I'm going to break it with my hand. Oh my god, it's so sharp. Look, it has needles. I'm going to do part 2, but it's not a problem. Oh my